Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabar ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar jelak larai ban kerpat hi bor penyak jong ke skol ba North Eastern Hill University. Ban pediang ika Ïapynbeit Shabar ke Ïingbishar ha ka biade bat ke Bijini complex ke badan halai imkra Shillong. Uminti ke Sorkar jela ba poling do ha ka keran bekilar pathai kubor ha ka shitrik unai tong arajar apusan ula pintip ya kane hadi ke kendu yikinoi lam ka khasi student union bat ha ka juga por uliat ho ba ula pintip Hakinoi lam ka KSU bagi bor penyak juga North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences kila kok ngo banbu iki online exam center haga jela Meghalaya kata Hashilong Jowai Batura.
I had a very fruitful exchange with the KSU leadership today. Of course, on the matter of Nehu, they had one concern regarding the Bijini complex, which then we took up also with the Education Minister, Mr. Rakam Sama. So hopefully, since the matter now is in the court, the matter is sub judice, the Nehu registrar had gone to court over the Meghalaya government's decision to take over Bijini complex. So we have requested for a meeting between the Honorable Education Minister and the Nehu Pro VC to explore the possibility of an out-of-court settlement.
This is for the State University campus?
Yeah, absolutely. Correct.
We're coming to Negrims?
Negrim's one immediate decision was for the online exam centers set up in Meghalaya. Negrims had responded positively and given an offer to the Department of Health for the creation of such centers at Shillong, Tura and Jowai. And the KSU has welcomed that initiative. The other pending issues will be taken up at the level of the Union Minister, for which I will also seek the support and cooperation of our Health Minister. She was not around today, but I'll take this matter up once I get across to her.
But regarding this Bijini complex, Bapon, what is the status of this Bijini complex? Who is the rightful owner of Bijini complex?
Apparently, the important documents are not traceable, and now the matter is, of course, with the High Court of Meghalaya. We, as I mentioned, are trying to prevail upon the Nehu authorities to opt for an out-of-court settlement, for which the KSU is also advocating the same.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.